Hello everyone, my name is Swasti Jain and I welcome you all to Bio Talks with Swasti. Here we'll deep dive into the world of biology and study from the tiniest microorganisms to the human body and the vast ecosystem. So let's start from chapter 1 of NCERT class 12, that is reproduction in organisms. So the first topic that we are going to cover is lifespan. Now, lifespan is also called longevity and macrobiosis. And now the definition of lifespan is the period from birth to natural death of an organism. And also the thing is that lifespan is not related with the size of an organism. So इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि किसी organism का size क्या है. Their lifespan can be very different. For example, you can see here that is written, crow and parrot have similar sizes but their lifespan are different. So crow have a lifespan of 15 years and you can see that parrot has a lifespan of 140 years. So even if their size is very much similar, crow and parrot, they have very different, their lifespan is very different from each other. So I hope you have got the point, and I would request you all to note it down, all these points in your copy. So now let's move on to the next topic, that is the lifespan of different organisms. So first of all, you can see here is a list of all the organisms and their lifespans. So you can see it very well. So the first organism is crocodile. Now the crocodile has a lifespan of 60 years and this is the max lifespan of an organism. Okay. Now, crocodile has a lifespan of 60 years. Elephant, which is a slow breeder, has a lifespan of 60 to 90 years. Then, tortoise. Tortoise is very important that you have to remember very nicely. Now, tortoise is the longest living animal which has a lifespan of 100 to 150 years. Then, very important is tortoise and mayfly. Now, you can see the vast difference between tortoise and mayfly. Tortoise has a lifespan of 100 to 150 years, whereas mayfly, which has the shortest lifespan of 1 day. So these are very important. Then butterfly has a lifespan of 1 to 2 weeks. Fruit fly has a lifespan of 2 weeks to 1 month. I request you all to note this list down so that you can remember it, because it is very important. Now, cat has a lifespan of 28 years. Dog has a lifespan of 20 to 30 years. Horse has a lifespan of 62 years. Cow has a lifespan of 20 to 25 years. So I hope this side is very clear to all of you. Now, let's move on to this. Here you can see we covered some animals and now here are some plants. Okay, so rose. Rose has a lifespan of 10 years. Banana tree, 25 years. Rice plant, 4 months. Banyan tree, 200 to 300 years. So you can see such a vast difference between different plants. Rice plant, which is just having a lifespan of 4 months, whereas banyan tree and peepal tree, they have a long lifespan. See, 200 to 300 years, then people has the 2000 and 3000 years. Now wheat. Wheat has a lifespan of 5 months. So we can see a similarity between wheat and rice. Rice has a lifespan of 4 months and wheat has a lifespan of 5 months. Now here were some plants, here were some animals. Now again there are some animals covered here. You can see ant queen, 15 year, squirrel, 16 year, eagle, 55 year, monkey, 30 years. Okay. Now next. So I hope we have covered a lot of lifespan here and you got all these points. Now let's move on to house mouse. Now you may get confused between house mouse and house rat. So there is a difference between house mouse and house rat. House mouse is small in size, whereas house rat, it is bigger in size. Okay, so you can remember that the smaller ones has a lifespan of shorter lifespan and the bigger one has a longer lifespan. So that is 3.5 years and 4.6 years. Got the point? Yes. So, cobra has a lifespan of 228 years. Then chimpanzee have a lifespan of 45 years. Bullfrog 30 years. Toad 36 years. Carp 47 years. Guinea pig 7.5 years. Then swan 20 to 30 years. And then parrot 140 years. So, in this we have covered the different lifespan of different organisms. So I hope that you made a list of all the organisms, and I would suggest that you learn the lifespan of all organisms because it is going to benefit you all a lot. So let's revise it all in once. What is lifespan? Lifespan is a period from birth to natural death of an organism, which is also called longevity and macrobiosis. And it is not related with the size of an organism. For example, crow and parrot. And the important points that you have to remember is tortoise, which is the longest living animal, and mayfly, which is the shortest lifespan. So tortoise and parrot, you can see there is a slight similarity in their lifespan, because you can see tortoise has a lifespan of 100 to 150 years and parrot has a lifespan of 140 years. And mayfly, on the other hand, has lifespan of 1 day. So these are the important points that you have to cover